Hey guys, welcome to SMA-Trendz. Today we're going to be making delicious Pulihora rice. It is a traditional Indian food that is specifically made for festivals. And since the festival season is here, we thought we'd share this delicious recipe to you all. Make sure to try it. To start, you're going to add 2 cups of rice into a bowl. And you're going to be adding 4 cups. You're going to add a little water and wash it all first. After you've done that, you're going to add a little bit of soaked chana dal, and then you're going to add 4 cups of water. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you're going to let it cook. You're going to cook the rice, and then when it's ready, you're going to let it cool down. Because it's going to be very hot. So you're going to let it cool down, make sure it's nicely mixed, and then in a separate pan, add a little bit of oil. Then you're going to add a few red chilies and a few peanuts. And you're going to mix it all together. Just make sure to mix it around and add 1/2 cup tamarind juice. It should be nice and thick. So, once you added that, you're going to mix it all together once again. Make sure everything is nicely mixed together. You want all the flavors to blend in to give you that unique taste. So you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a little bit of pepper powder and some salt as well. After you've done that, you're going to mix it again. You're going to cook it until it's a bit more thick. After you're done mixing it and it's nice and thick, you'll see that it's ready, and you're going to add it to the cooked rice and mix again. There's a lot of mixing in this recipe. So you're going to add it all in, and then you're going to mix it. So mix it all together and make sure everything blends together nicely. Because you need the tamarind juice to mix with the rice nicely to give you the flavor. You're going to add 2 teaspoons of oil into another small bowl. And you're going to add a few peanuts. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. A few green chilies. And you're going to mix it all together, and you're going to fry them. Then you're going to add a couple of curry leaves and some turmeric powder and mix it all together once again. After you're done that, add the mixture into the rice and mix it all together once again. And now it's ready. That's basically it. It's a simple but delicious recipe. After you're done mixing, it's ready to serve. So serve it to your family and friends and enjoy it during the holidays and festivals. And it's very delicious as well, so make sure to enjoy this. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye, and enjoy this very delicious treat. Thanks for watching.